Hello, I'm going to compare CloudTalk with RingCentral. Which one is better? So CloudTalk features global reach, AI-powered tools, and CRM integrations. RingCentral, omni-channel communication, advanced analytics, and extensive integrations. Pricing, CloudTalk has plans that start at $25 per user per month, offers a 14-day free trial, and RingCentral has multiple plans. One is Core, which is $30 per user per month, Advanced $35 per user per month, and Ultra $45 per user per month. So in conclusion, choose CloudTalk if your business operates internationally and requires extensive global number coverage. You prioritize AI-driven analytics and seamless CRM integrations. A straightforward, user-friendly interface is essential for your team. Choose RingCentral if you need a comprehensive omnichannel communication platform. Advanced analytics and a wide range of integration are crucial for your operations, and scalability and broad feature set are top priority.